Welcome children to our channel Maths with Joshi Uncle. Last time we considered how to prepare tables without memorization. We considered a two-digit table of 13. Okay, now let's take a still higher number 23, 33. No, we'll go even beyond that. Okay, we'll consider a table of 64. Okay, fine. How to do that? See, 64 is equal to 60 plus 4. So for this 6, we write 6 in the tens place and 4 in the ones place. So this 6 is called as the master digit at tens place and 4 is called as the master digit at ones place. In short, we can represent this by MD. So here we have written this master digit MD. Okay. Now we'll consider this table of 64. Now in this table we already know two numbers. What is that? 64 ones are 64, right? And 64 tens are 640. So we'll put 6, 4 and 0, 640. That we already know. So our job is to get these numbers at ones place and tens place. But initially we will concentrate only on getting the numbers at ones place. So let us put this particular thing and close down this tens place and concentrate only on ones place. Now the number at one level that we already know is 4 and master digit at ones place is 4. So now to get the next number, what we have to do? Very simple. We have to add this master digit on the number that we know. So 4 plus 4, 8. Okay. Now to get again next number. What is that? 8 plus 4 is 12. Oh, now we got the two-digit number. So what to do with that? Okay, it's very simple. Okay, we'll consider this over here. 12. 12 means also dot and 2. What is this dot? Dot is equivalent to 1. This is called as a dot. Okay. Once you know this, then this table will be very easy for you. So, for this 12, we'll put a dot here and 2 here. Now this dot comes in the tens place. So we'll consider it at that time. So forget about this dot now and consider only on the ones place number, that is 2. Now to get the next number, what you have to do? You have to just add 4 into this 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. Again a two-digit number. So what we have to do? 10 means dot here for 1 and 0 here. Okay. Now what is the next number? 0 plus 4, 4. Next number 4 plus 4, 8. Single digit number, no problem. Then again 8 plus 4, 12. 12 means again a dot here and 2 here. Okay. Now what is the next number? 2 plus 4, 6. Single digit number, no problem. And 6 plus 4, 10. So 0 here and a dot here. Okay. Children, there is one catch I would like to tell you, or some important thing. That is, if this is the master digit is 4, then you will get 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. If by chance if you get 3 dots, then reconsider it that, oh, I should get 4 dots. And here I am getting only 3. So you will find out if there is any mistake. Okay? So this is a one checkpoint. Now 50% of the table is ready. Now let's go for the tens place numbers. So again master digit here is 6 and the number that we already know is 6. So what is this next number? It is 6 plus 6, 12. Then 12 plus 6, 18. Should we write 18? No, because this dot is here. So 12 plus 6, 18 plus dot 19. So we have to put 19 and not 18. Okay. So this is 19. Now 19 plus 6, 25, no dot. So we will put 25 here. Okay. Now 25 plus 6, 31. But dot is here. So we have to add that. 25 plus 6, 31 plus 1, that is 32. Now 32 plus 6, 38, no dot. So 38 directly. Now next is 38 plus 6, 44. Okay. Then 44 plus 6, 50. And this dot 1. So this is 51. Okay. So 51 plus 6, 57. No dot. So 57. Now 57 plus 6 is 63 and 63 dot is here. 63 plus dot 64. So we got this 64 here. So our entire table of a very difficult number 64, we never thought of memorizing this huge number table. But this particular table is ready. I have not asked you to memorize even a table of very simple table of 2. And in spite of that, our entire table of 64 is ready. So children, this is the beauty of this particular magical method. Okay? Welcome children to our channel Maths with Joshi Uncle. Last time we considered how to prepare tables of 2-digit numbers ending with 9, ending with 1 and any table. No need to have an ending with 1 or 9. Any table, how to prepare that. And we considered, for example, a table of 13 and 64. Now, children, I purposely did not consider a single digit table because it is very important for you in your future career to memorize tables of single digit numbers up to 9. Okay, but if some children are not able to memorize even the table of single digit tables, then I will tell you how to prepare the tables of single digit numbers also with this particular technique. Okay, so let's consider a table of 6. 6 is equal to, we can 0 tens and 6 ones. So how do we put that? In tens place 0 and in ones place 6. So in our case, the master digit at tens place is 0 and the master digit at ones place is 6. So we'll put these two numbers over here. And now, again, now we want to build this particular table. And how to do that? See, we know the two numbers already without starting. That is 6 ones are 6. That we already know. Okay. Now, what is the next? To get this number, what we have to do? We have to add this master digit in the number that we know. So 6 plus 6, 12. Oh, again we have got a 2-digit number. Earlier we were having just single digit number, no problem. But now we got a 2-digit number. So 6 plus 6 is 12. How can we put that? Here dot is equal to 1. Dot is equal to 1. So we can give dot here which is 1 and 2 over here at one's place. So dot is 1. Remember this. Okay, good. So how do we write over here? 0 and here 2 here. Now this dot we will consider while calculating the numbers at the tens place because 1 is in the tens place. Okay, we will not consider it now. Now let's consider how to get the next number. Very simple. Just add 6 into the number that we know. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So 14 again a 2-digit number. So dot 4. So here is 4 and here is a dot. Now 4 plus 6, 10. Again a 2-digit number. So 0 and a dot. Okay. Now, what is the next number? 0 plus 6 is 6, a single digit number. So no dot. Again, 6 plus 6, 12, a two digit number. Dot 2. Now, what is the next number? 2 plus 6, 8. 8 is a single digit number. So no dot. 8 plus 6, 14. Two digit number. So dot and 4. And now what is the next number? 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is 10. So here again a two digit number. So 0 here and a dot here. Okay. So we got all the numbers of, that is 50% of the table is ready. Now let's go to get the numbers from the tens place now. Now this is the number that we know, and now we want to get these numbers. So let's start from this number. So what is the master digit? 0, and this is also 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0, but there is a dot here, right? So dot is 1. So 0 plus 0, 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. So we'll put 1 here. Okay. Now 1 plus 0 is again 1. So we'll put 1 only here. Again 1 plus 0, 1, but dot is here. So 1 plus 0 means 1 plus 1, that is 2. So we'll put 2 here. Now 2 plus 0 is 2, but again the dot is here. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. Then 3 plus 0 is again 3, because there is no dot. And 3 plus 0 is 3, but again the dot is here. So 3 plus 1, 4. Then 4 plus 0 is 4. There is no dot, so we put 4 here. Again 4 plus 0 is 4, but dot is here. So we have to put 5 here. Now 5 plus 0 is 5, but we have got a dot here. So it is 6. And see the things. 6 tens are 60, and we got this particular number. Have I asked you to memorize any table? No. So this single digit table is already ready without, I never asked you to memorize any table of any single digit or two digit number. In spite of that, our entire table is ready. So children, I would like to warn you once again that considering your future career, you have to memorize tables up to 9. Now I have given this method only for those students for the time being who are not able to memorize these tables up to 9. But later on, every child has to memorize tables up to 9. Okay, so with this, we have concluded the topic of making any two-digit numbers table without memorization. Okay, now we'll go further in our next video for the next topic.